So we're magnetic pre-filtration. Our company is called MagShield. We work with heavy equipment. We work with your large dozers. We work with your haulers, supplying through different, obviously, mining companies. What you have here is our MagShield. This is a reservoir tank shield. So what this does is it goes around the suction in the reservoir. You have magnetics within all the ribs of these shields. All the hydraulic fluid will flow through the system. 100% of the hydraulic fluid will be captured, go through. Ferrous materials will be captured on the magnets. So what you're basically looking for is all the iron containments. This is, there's no modifications to the reservoir tank. It is actually fully magnetized, fitted properly, and once it's fully magnetized, it actually attaches itself to the tank or the reservoir. They're not always circular. They could be any dimension, right? So there could be multiple. They are custom made, yes. And this gentleman here, Trevor, he is our custom made product guy.
That sounds fun. It is fun. Okay.
This is an inline option. So when your tanks are too small, we can't get into measure, we can't get into develop, see, fit. Then you have the inline option for like your gearboxes. Basically what it is, it goes out on the outside of the machine. This is a canister. Our magnetic product goes inside. So what you have here is it's called a MagShield X. I'm going to put my $100 in the cap because that's important. The magnetic probes are actually inside the equipment instead of on the outside. All those probes are magnetic. The fluid runs in, the hydraulic fluid runs into the canister. The filters through here. So you're going to get all your magnetic ferrous material that's going to attach here. Goes inside the. Absolutely.
So, quick question here: Can you have T-Rex DNA in here and make this into shaving cream? Okay. All right, I'll go back to doing what I'm doing.
Yes, it does. Yes.
I went through it very quickly.
These products are not, like, we don't replace them. They're for the lifetime of the machine. So it's not a residual income for us, but it advances the lifetime of the equipment, right? So it's cleaning the hydraulic fluid continuously. So it's going to help with their failures, their downtime, saving them overall cost and money, right? Efficiency. There's a cleaning tool attached to this as well, so you can clean off the ferrous material. So you're basically just going to slide that down, clean the containments off, give it a quick wipe, put it back in the machine, you're good to go. This is a sample of your hydraulic fluid that has contamination inside of it, right? So you can see it doesn't settle, it just constantly flows through. The material has to flow through your equipment, right? So once you attach a MagShield or an inline shield, this is basically what's going to happen. It's going to draw completely to the magnetic system.
That's cool.
Right? So you can see as time passes, how much material you're actually going to catch. As at each flow, it's going to catch more and more, right? So you're not putting that back into your system. So you can see how your hydraulics work better. They're going to have the longevity of the system.
It's like a mini lava lamp.
It is. It is. Back in the case, it's enclosed because it actually does have magnetics in it. So if you have any medical devices, you're not going to be harmed. But this is what shows the MagShield, which is this here, the little one on the rectangular one on the front. That is post-failure. So that is how much containment that one collected before the machine shut down.
Not very often. If you have a failure to that level, of course, you'd have to clean it then. But generally speaking, we tell customers inspect them when you change your hydraulic fluid. And if it seems to be getting significant buildup on it, clean it at that time. But if it's just got a thin film, if you've got a well-maintained machine that's not generating a lot of iron, you can generally leave them alone.
The one in the back is this piece of equipment. Again, post-failure, you can see how much contamination has been put through it. Behind you is the Mag Pro.
Well, we buggered it up last week. Hopefully we'll sort it out this weekend and get it over and done with.
So this is a magnetic sampling device, a bit of a diagnostic tool rather than a filter. And then it's got a self-sealing probe. So this goes into the component like a wheel motor, and then this goes inside. And when you take it out, the ball seals it, so you don't need to reposition the equipment to get that excess bulk above the fluid level. So you can check it, and you'll only lose a few drops of fluid. And then to go with that, we also have a sampling adapter, so you can take fluid samples without any mess or risk of spills or burns to the technician if it's sometimes hot. So put that in, connect your sampler, quick connect there.
Well,
There you go.
that's it. Reliability managed.
All right, all right. Very good, guys.
What's nice for that is, as you say, you can then.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Thank you.